wanted to help. Ow, it hurt.
How that one goes there?
I'm trying to get.
If you move that one,
My hand's gonna get crumpled.
yes. So how can I take it off? My bobo anak. You're so bobo talaga. What am I gonna do to you?
Oh, my hand.
Why you're so stupid? You're so stupid, really. Is it you on your freaking inside the thing? What did you do? Like this or like that? Like this or like that? What? How did you do that? I said, did you do like that or like this?
Like this.
Is it like this?
You love country music. I Heart Country Australia. Your home for new
We need to cut your. Oh my God! I'm going on the back. I'll cut your hands.
No.
For a sec.
No!
Just wait
No,
for
no,
me.
no, 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 no.
I'm going there.
No.
Why? So I can push your hands? Gago ka ba?
You just have to pull it out.
Pull you out. My hand got engineer. I got operation. How can I pull that? Ayo, you're a bullshit.
Get
That
my
one like
hand
that.
Get my hand out.
How can I? Gago ka talaga. Why did you do that there? Aray ko, mabigat ka. I got operation. And then you do that to me. Ang tanga-tanga mo naman. How did you put your hands there? Tanga ka. Gago ka. Niloloko mo ko. Buisit ka. Sira ulo. Muryot. Pukpukin kaya ka nito.
I gotcha.